Hey there, fruit lovers. Welcome to our fruity adventure where today we're diving into the fascinating world of the Ackee fruit. Buckle up as we explore its history, benefits, and everything you need to know to enjoy this exotic treat. Let's kick things off with a bit of history. Ackee, scientifically known as Blaigia sapida, is native to West Africa. This tropical fruit got its name from the Jamaican term Ackee, which is believed to come from the Akan language in Ghana. It was brought to the Caribbean by African slaves in the 18th century and has since become a staple in Jamaican cuisine. Now, let's talk benefits. Ackee is more than just a tasty treat. It's packed with nutrients including vitamins A and C, and it's a great source of potassium and iron. These nutrients help support your immune system, improve vision, and maintain healthy skin. Plus, Ackee is low in calories, making it a fantastic choice for a healthy diet. Picking the perfect Ackee is key to enjoying its full flavor. Here's a pro tip: choose Ackees that are fully ripe. They should have a bright red or yellow color and be slightly wrinkled. Avoid fruits that are still green or have not yet fully opened, as these are not ripe and can be toxic. Always make sure the fruit has fully opened before consumption. Wondering when to harvest Ackee? Ackee is usually in season from late summer to early winter. In the Caribbean, you'll find the best Ackee from August to December. During this time, the fruit is at its peak ripeness, offering the best flavor and nutritional benefits. So, what can you do with Ackee? The possibilities are endless. Ackee is most famously used in Jamaican cuisine, especially in the beloved dish ackee and saltfish. But don't stop there. Try adding Ackee to salads, soups, or even as a topping for your favorite rice dishes. Just remember to always cook Ackee thoroughly, as raw or improperly cooked Ackee can be toxic. There you have it, folks, a juicy dive into the world of Ackee fruit. From its rich history to its incredible benefits and versatile uses, Ackee is truly a tropical treasure. Next time you see this vibrant fruit at the market, you'll know exactly what to do. Thanks for joining us on this fruity adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon, so you never miss a tasty update. Until next time, keep exploring and stay fruity. Catch you in the next video.